Today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn any image into a clickable link in WordPress using the block editor, also known as Gutenberg. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to make your images interactive, whether you want to link to another post on your website, direct people to an external shop, or just make your pages look and work a bit more professionally. Alright, let's dive in together. To get started, open up the post or page where you want your clickable image to appear. If you're already comfortable moving around WordPress, you'll know how easy it is to jump into the block editor for the page you want to change. If not, just head to your dashboard, find the page or post, and hit Edit. Super simple. Now you'll need to add an image block. Look for the little plus sign, the one that lets you add new blocks. Give it a click, and in the menu that pops up, search for image. Select it, and you'll see a new image placeholder ready to go. Why use the image block? Well, Gutenberg's blocks make it easy to mix and match content while keeping everything organized and mobile-friendly. Once your image block is in place, it's time to pick your image. You can upload a brand new file from your computer, just drag and drop it in, or browse your folders and select the image you want. If you've already uploaded the photo before, click Media Library and find it there. It's all about making sure your image is exactly what you want your visitors to click on. Take a moment to choose one that fits. The right visual can really draw attention or reinforce your message. Okay, here where the real magic happens. You'll want to make that image clickable. Click the image itself in the editor. This brings up a toolbar right above it, which gives you quick access to edit options. Among those icons, you'll see one that looks like a little chain link. This is your link button. Click the chain link icon and a field will appear for you to type or paste your URL. Now, depending on where you want to send your visitors, you can paste in the link to an external website, say your online shop, a related article, or maybe an affiliate partner. Or if you want to link to another page right on your own site, just start typing that page's name. WordPress will helpfully search your site so you don't have to remember that long, complicated URL. Nice, right? Once you've got the URL in there, you need to apply it. Just press Enter on your keyboard or click the little apply arrow. At this point, the image in your editor has become a clickable link. It's that easy. If you want to get a bit more advanced, there's one more handy feature. Sometimes, you want your link to open up in a new tab so your viewers don't get pulled away from your page entirely. To set that, click the link icon again and then click the little down arrow. You'll see an option that says Open in New Tab. Give that switch a toggle. This is especially helpful for external links so people don't lose their place on your website. And finally, don't forget to save your changes. Hit Update or Publish, depending on whether this is a brand new post or a change to an existing one. Take a moment to preview your post and test the link. Click the image yourself to make sure it works the way you want. And that's it. You've turned a regular image into an interactive link your visitors can click, all without plugins or complicated code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments if you ran into any snags or have more questions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.